Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining us for today's CITI program webinar. Today's topic is Drug Safety and Pharmacovigilance for Drugs, Biologics, and Medical Devices, and will be presented by Maureen Quirk. While working as a full-time paramedic, Maureen served as a corpsman in the U.S. Navy and earned an associate's degree in biology and chemistry, and then a Bachelor of Science in biomedical laboratory and clinical science. She transitioned into pharma, where she served as a clinical research coordinator and safety scientist before earning a Master's of Science in Regulatory Affairs of Drugs, Biologics, and Medical Devices. Maureen has worked for contract research organizations and pharmaceutical companies, both large and small, and has experience in all phases of product development and project management.
The learning objectives for this webinar include describing drug safety and pharmacovigilance, defining safety vocabulary, detailing the types and sources of safety information, explaining how safety information is handled, and describing the interaction of drug safety and pharmacovigilance with other functional areas. The life cycle of an adverse event is cyclical in nature until everything needed or available for the case is received and processed. Once a case is created, the case processing workflow proceeds in one direction, unless certain situations arise that alter the flow. An adverse event is received and data entered into the safety database. It's assessed as valid or invalid. It's triaged for causality and reportability. A duplicate check is performed, which will determine whether the new case is added to an existing case or follow-up. The narrative is written, medical review and reportability is confirmed. The case goes to submission and distribution, where it would be submitted to a health authority if required and distributed to investigators and IRBs. Follow-up is scheduled and queries are sent. Finally, follow-up is received or the case is closed and archived. When follow-up is received, depending on where the case is in the workflow, it may keep moving forward.
In closing, I'd also invite everyone to review our content offerings regularly, as we are continually adding new courses and webinars in various areas of research, ethics, compliance, and professional development.